beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 looks out of the Lorac Pro 4 eyeshadow palette. This came out, I don't know, at least a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. And I remember I wanted it so badly. I think Ulta had it on one of their sales, and when I saw these colors, I just really had to have it. And the only Ulta near me that still had it in stock was totally on the other side of town, and of course I drove out there. This palette has 16 shades. 5 of them are shimmers and the rest are mattes. And let's go ahead and swatch them. The eyeshadows go on really nicely. They blend well, they last a long time, there's good color payout. The one thing that drives me nuts about this palette though is the kick up in the pan and the fallout when I'm applying. I don't know if it will show up on camera, but every time I go and tap off a brush, there's this cloud of eyeshadow. And I'm debating whether I should shoot a picture of my table right here. It's covered in fallout from the pan and tapping off my brushes. So I feel like that's one of those things, if you know about it, then you can prepare, you can put down a layer of powder so that anything that drops is easily swept away, or you do your foundation after you do your eye makeup. Also make sure to tap out over a sink. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much. That really does mean the world to me. If you're one of the literally maybe thousands of people who view my my videos, I'm super glad that you do. I would love it if you would join our little family here and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post, which is usually Mondays and Thursdays. All right, let's get on to the 4 looks. Thank you so much for joining me today. Is there a palette that you have in your collection that you don't know what to do with, or you want to find some new inspiration? You'd like to see me put together some looks out of it? If I own it, I'd be happy to do that. Just leave me a comment down below. Thanks for stopping by and have a really fantastic day.